Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To start, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a soft cloth for cleaning, and a small brush for dusting. These tools will help you navigate through the internal components of your Thermomix TM31. First, unplug your Thermomix to ensure safety. With the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws located at the base of the unit. Carefully lift the cover to expose the internal components. Pay attention to the wiring connections and the main circuit board, these are often the culprits behind the open error. Next, visually inspect for any loose connections or signs of wear. If you notice any frayed wires or disconnections, this could be the source of the issue. If you're unsure about handling this yourself, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. This way, you can ensure your device is properly checked by experts. Once you've confirmed the connections are secure, it's time to clean the internal components. Use the soft cloth to wipe away any dust or residue that may have accumulated. For tighter spots, the small brush is ideal for gently removing debris without damaging sensitive parts. Now, let's address the specific settings. If you have reset your Thermomix and still encounter the open error, you may need to recalibrate the settings. To do this, press and hold the dial while turning on the device. This will initiate the calibration mode. Follow the on-screen prompts to adjust the settings accordingly. If you find this process challenging, don't hesitate to reach out. We provide pickup and delivery at your home, making it convenient for you to get professional help without any hassle. After recalibrating, close the cover securely and reattach the screws. Ensure everything is tightened appropriately to prevent any future errors. If the problem persists, consider checking the firmware version of your Thermomix. An outdated version can lead to various operational errors. You can update it via the official Thermomix website if you have the necessary tools and knowledge. Finally, if all else fails and you're still experiencing issues, it's wise to seek a quote before repair. This ensures transparency and helps you understand the costs involved in fixing your Thermomix. With these steps, you should be well on your way to resolving the open error on your Thermomix TM31. Regular maintenance and careful handling will keep your kitchen companion running smoothly for years to come. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.